Hello everyone, today I'm presenting you Robinhood Marketplace. Like many millennials, my journey into trading and investing began during the COVID-19 pandemic, an uncertain time, yet witnessed a boom in retail investing. I picked Robinhood to open my first trading account due to its user-friendly interface and commission-free app. Over the course of the past 5 years, Robinhood has transformed from a niche disruptor to a central player in the financial services industry. The company was founded in 2013, launched its first mobile app in 2015, and introduced cryptocurrency trading in 2018. The name of the company is after the character Robin Hood, claiming its mission is to provide everyone with access to financial markets, not just the wealthy. This has proved to be a successful branding strategy as the company has won over a massive user base of over 25 million funded accounts who use Robinhood as a go-to everyday trading app. Looking at financial performance overview, 4 years of data were collected from 2021 to 2024. Revenue has consistently been growing year over year from and reached 2.95 billion in 2024. The three main categories of revenues are transaction-based services, which are payment for order flow, tax account up to 50% of total revenue in 2024. The next big category is the net interest revenues earning from margin lending and interest in customer balance, accounting for 37% of total revenue. Other revenues, including the subscription to Robinhood Gold, is 6%. On the expense side, it has consistently trending down over the year. So the two biggest expense remains to be research and development, as this is a fintech company, and administrative and general and administrative. So the upward trending in revenues and downward trending in expense reflect Robinhood's ongoing efforts to streamline operations while managing costs effectively. This is a very good sign for a healthy growing company. As a result, the company posted profits in 2024 at an impressive number at 1.4 billion, showcasing the improved profitability. On the DuPont analysis, the period between 2021 to 2023 were very challenging, but were very needed to set up a strong foundation for future growth, and eventually witnessed the turnaround in 2024. Profits were substantial. Asset turnover rate was increasing, suggesting an improving asset utilization efficiencies. Equity multipliers were also rising. This indicates increased use of debt financings, which can amplify returns but also introduce higher financial risk. On the stock performance in the market, again, this is a high growth, high risk stock. As of early May 2025, Robinhood stock is trading at approximately $48 per share. Within the 52-week range, it outperformed all the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and its competitors. Personally, I would add a small amount of Robinhood to my portfolio and plan to add more if the price falls upon the Bitstamp acquisition news. And I plan to keep it until the mid-2026 while closely monitoring its product expansion, the regulatory environment, as well as the market sensitivity. On the competitive landscape, other competitors are catching up and imposing certain threats to Robinhood. Charles Schwab and Fidelity are increasing offering zero commission platform. Meanwhile, for Gen Z customers, SoFi is converging on Robinhood segment with strong banking and lending integrations. Overall, Robinhood still sits at the innovative, high-growth, high-risk end of the brokerage spectrum. It outpaced competitors in UX, crypto integration, and product innovation for young investors. However, to grow with its user and weather competition, Robinhood must improve trust, compliance, and customer service. Strategy outlook. Robinhood current direction appears to mature into a full-fledged financial institution, which they have been doing very well with successful rollout of Robinhood Gold, retirement account, IRAs, and credit cards. My recommendation would be to continue this direction and protect its competitive advantage by launching more products like high yield saving accounts, student loan refinancings, and other trading enhancement tools like auto investing, robo advisory, integrating option strategy, margin modeling, and real-time data feeds to attract more higher profile investor. Then with the acquisition of Bitstamp, the company is looking for strong presence in cryptocurrency trading, diversification, and international expansions. It can leverage Bitstamp compliance in the Europe market and expand internationally. Meanwhile, Robinhood could also look at Asia, the Asia and the Latin Americas, as those markets are very fast, are, are fast in adoption of the fintech, and they are like less regulatory there. So the final thought, Robinhood now isn't just a trading app, it's maturing into a dynamic tech-driven financial institution. Thank you for listening.